This is a fully automatic wheat flour production line with a per-day processing capacity of 60 tons of wheat 24 hours for input wheat. The production line consists of three main sections: raw wheat cleaning, flour milling, flour storage silo, and auto packing. The cleaning section is equipped with set of horizontal scourer, one set of rotisifter, one set of gravity distoner, one set of wheat washer and dryer, one set of high-efficiency vibrating sieve, one set of vertical air separator, a own set of debranning and polishing machine, and one set of intensive dampener. Dust control is centrally managed by two square pulse dust collectors. The milling section have 6 set of roller mills, 2 set of purifiers, 2 set of brusher BRAN, 2 set of plant sifters, and a pneumatic conveying system. Dust collection for this section is handled by a single 135 pocket pulse dust collector for flour storage and packing. The line includes 1 set of flour inspection sifter, 2 set of finished product flour silo, 1 set of BRAN silo, and 3 set of automatic packing machines capable of packing flour in bags ranging from 5 kilograms to 25 kilograms. This flour production line features mature technology and stable operation, producing finished flour with a rich wheaty aroma and high gluten strength, making it an ideal choice for medium-sized flour mills. For more details, please contact High In Grain Machinery